Come on, big girl.
Come on, go. See your new house.
Come on, big pig. Come on. What do you think? Huh?
That pretty girl.
That good stuff? Huh? A whole new digs for the winter. Come on. All right, we got the roof on. Showed me how much out of square we really were. Pretty terrible. But it's done. Fence is up. Big pig. Let's see if she goes in.
She says there's no food. Sad.
There's no food, not yet. Hi, big pig. You got to sniff, don't you? Like a dog, you got to sniff out the new area. Figure it out.
Oh, she's been on this side, Dad.
Yeah, it has. It's been a while since she's been over here. Yeah, she might be in the heat cycle because she's pretty swollen there.
Hey, pig.
Come here, Coke. Ain't nothing in there yet. I'll get you fed here shortly. And go in there. Hmm. Yes, I'll get all my lumber and stuff out of here for you. She gonna make the whole loop and sniff everything. Get in your new home there. Go check out that pig off-grid cabin. Do you like it so far? Huh? Do you like it so far? Huh? Give everybody a big kiss. Give everybody a big kiss. You gonna twerk for everybody? There you go. I found the spot, didn't I? Don't step on me. You hurt when you step.
There it is.
You gonna go in there and try it out? There you go. Get in there. All right.
Good girl. Good pig. Oh, looky there. You got something to dig in. Look at that. You got a house. A big pig bungalow.
Big pig bungalow.
She says I'm finding something to eat.
She's
then.
chewing on those pine boughs. What do you think? Does it suit your standards?
So it'd be better if it had food.
Yeah, she'll get her food here in a little bit. Is it pig approved? Yeah, you got plenty of room in here.
Oh yeah.
Smells nice in here for now. I'm sure it'll be stinking before too long. There you go. There's a pig rubbing. That's why you use screws instead of nails on pig shelters. Hi, big girl. We're going sweet girl.
Thank you, Dad. I like it.
Give it a rub. Good and rough, huh?
I got to
That's a whole lot of booty to be shaking around like that, girl. All right, what do you think? Good enough? Hmm?
You like it? You like your new house? Hi, Cody. You like your new house? Hi, Cody.
She's a sweet girl. Big behemoth of an animal, but what a sweet girl. Huh. All right, we'll leave you alone.